Activity 2, Professional Development Video Required, 25 hours, by Kristen Herring for EDLD 5413, Building Leadership Intern, under Dr. Kimberly Wilkerson. Activity 2, Professional Development Video Required, 25 hours, aligns with PSEL Standard 1, Mission, Vision, and Core Values, which says effective educational leaders guide the faculty in the creation of a shared vision, mission, and set of core values to ensure academic achievement and provisions of needs for each student. It also aligns with PSEL Standard 4, Curriculum Instruction and Assessment, which states effective educational leaders strive to build an atmosphere of rigorous curriculum instruction and assessment that improves student achievement and health. NPBEA 2015. Standard 1 sets the standard for a shared vision, mission, and set of core values so everyone is moving in the same direction. NELP 2018. Educational leaders work with the staff to develop these for the betterment of the students. That means the implementation of academies and pathways aligns to the vision and mission for the school and district. Educational leaders will promote the vision, mission, and core values to the stakeholders. And we are looking for a support system for the academies and pathways, and that includes business and industry partners, and core values will align to the local business partners. And effective educational leaders will create a plan for reaching the vision and mission. And one thing that we're doing as leadership is supporting the vision and mission through continually training in the academy model and providing real-world career readiness project-based learning. Standard 4 sets the standard for rigorous instruction that leads to improved student achievement. Educational leaders work with the staff to create a system of instruction that is rigorous and standards-based and culturally relevant. The implementation of the academies and pathways allows business partners to assist with embedding rigorous project-based curriculum that aligns with the standards and prepares students to employ, enlist, or enroll. Educational leaders also align across grades to promote enjoyment for lifelong learning while building habits needed for success and provides a sense of belonging. The Career Academy model that I am teaching about in staff development provides a team-based learning for students to get the answer to the question, why am I learning this, while building relationships with other team members and networking with potential employers. The process that I followed for completion of Activity 2, I've been involved in working on the implementation of career academies and pathways in the high schools of Pulaski County Special School District. I completed a Nashville Hub Ford NGL study visit and training called Nashville Hub Train the Trainer Professional Development, and also researched the impact of career academies on student attendance, graduation, and college rates. I collected the Sylvan Hills High School data and read through the school improvement plan goals for Sylvan Hills High School. And after the trainings and research, I created a PowerPoint and completed the staff development that included a survey and reflection piece for attendees to complete. I also made a staff development video for the principal to share with teachers who were not in attendance because the staff development was required and will have continual sessions in May and then throughout the 22-23 school year as we move to full implementation of the academies and pathways. I received a total of 31 hours. They were broken up. 11 hours were involved in the Nashville Hub study visit, where I was collecting research and learning more about the whole academy process and implementation. 2 hours was spent at the Nashville Hub Train the Trainer session, where I collected research and learned more about training our staff. 4 hours of research was done in data collection and researching schools that have career academies in place. 4 hours was spent preparing for the staff development through the creation of PowerPoint, survey forms, and reflection form. 1 hour was spent in person for the staff development. 1 hour was spent creating a staff development recording for the absent teachers and emailing the administrator and talking to them about what would need to be done by the people that were absent. 2 hours was spent reviewing the Activity 2 reflective paper 2 hours was spent reviewing the survey results and reflection answers, 4 hours was spent writing the activity to reflective paper, and 2 hours was spent on the PowerPoint presentation and video. I gained a lot of knowledge through the completion of Activity 2. I found that teachers are thankful to be kept informed of what is to come, and teachers enjoy being a part of something new and they feel like they are a part of the building process, not just coming in at the end. Teachers appreciate being given the opportunity to ask questions along the way. Teachers fear new programs, but they like the idea of transforming the schools into the academies with business partnerships. Externships for teachers are a great way for teachers to earn extra money while creating projects and learning about careers outside of the classroom. Business partners in the classroom help provide culturally relevant teaching. The district and the school's mission and vision should be positively impacted by the Career Academy model. And some teachers don't feel that they will be impacted by the Academy model, so Session 2 will need to address how everyone will be involved. Application of the new knowledge. As an educational leader, I will continue to evaluate the impact that academies will have on student achievement, graduation rates, industry certification, and college entrance rates. I will reflect after professional development, and I note that this is very important to make improvements and see what questions will still need to be answered in the future. Planning Session 2, I will use the questions and the fears that teachers expressed to plan that session. I will schedule National Hub trainings throughout the next year prior to full implementation to prepare administrators, counselors, and teachers for each step of implementation. We will schedule tours of academy schools for teachers to walk through to have another visual and increase their level of comfort. And join professional organizations such as the National Career Academy Coalition and attend conferences to learn from other administrators. In reflection, I was very anxious and nervous leading this one, and that's different than those that I've led in the past. In past professional developments, when they took place, it was over the course of several days with activities embedded throughout. And teachers chose to attend those sessions where this was a required session, a staff development that everyone either had to attend or they had to watch the video and complete the reflection and survey piece. And so the difference here was the requirement versus the excitement that is involved when they get to choose to participate. The professional development was meant to provide an overview of what is to come and prepare teachers to speak openly about the academies and pathways in our community. And this PD, like I said, there was no option given, and so that did have a few people have some fear and anxiousness, but I think that most of that was relieved by the end of our time. Some key takeaways that I found were that teachers were very appreciative that they were being brought up to speed early in the game instead of hearing things through the grapevine and being the last to know. As a building level administrator, I need to remember open communication is imperative to building a positive school climate, and teachers build trust when administrators work to keep everyone informed. I also found that the budget should be used to ensure that students' needs are being met so they will be able to achieve.